So ngayon, narito tayo para pabinyagan si Astrid. And our coming here is not only because we want to comply the requirement of the child to be baptized.
Oh, we see it all with wonder. We dream in every color.
Hindi lang yon ang rason, but mas malalim ang ating pag-intindi ng sakramento ng binyag. Before you can practice your faith as Catholic, you need to be baptized.
Ready to begin.
For the parents, for the godparents, is to guide properly and to bring the little child, Astrid, into the faith so that she may grow with fear of the Lord and filled with the Holy Spirit and grace from God. Sa biyaya ng binyag, tutulungan natin na gampanan niya ang kanyang tungkulin.
This is where our dreams begin.
Now, being given this grace to be baptized, Astrid will become a child of God.
Alright now.
John, Astrid, I baptized you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
This is where our dreams begin.
Welcome to Astrid's birthday! Woo!
Here and now.
Siya yung magandang regalong na nakuha namin sa relationship namin. And syempre, mas nag-improve din yung relationship namin with each other. Dahil
It's a blessing sa akin. She changed my perspective in life. Just my everything.
But it's here in me.
super bait, super kulit, at super clinging baby. Tsaka mama's girl din siya.
He's making diamonds, diamonds.
Happy birthday, Astrid! We love you!
Birthday, Astrid, we love you.
And in his timing, he's making diamonds out of us.
Astrid, hello! Sana ay lumaki ka pang mas mabait at clingy pa rin kay mama at sana super close pa rin tayo. Kahit na ikaw ay maging teenager o lumaki na.
Happy birthday, Astrid. Sana maging mabuti kang tao paglaki mo. At sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. Happy birthday and I love you.
What I hope for.
Siopaw, buka, suman, mahaba. Suman. Siomay. Okay, ready, get set, and go!
Out of dust, he is refining.
And jump, 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 and stop.
Making diamonds out of us.
Gawin mo lahat ng kung anong makakapagpasaya sa'yo as an individual.
Whatever challenges or difficulties you may encounter in the future, nandito lang palagi si Mama. You will always have Mama on your back kasi we really, really do love you so much.
My strength when the pressure is on, he's making diamonds. Oh, the joy.
Thank you kasi mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko as a person at mas marami akong natutunan.
Thank you, Astrid, kasi ikaw ang pinakamagandang blessing na tanggap ko sa buong buhay ko.
Making us rise up from the dust. He is refining. And it is time.
Welcome to the Christian world and happy birthday, Astrid! We love you!
Mwah!
Making diamonds out of us. I won't be afraid to shine. I won't be afraid to shine. I won't be afraid to shine. 'Cause he's making diamonds out of dust. Making diamonds out of us.